Hi guys, this is Sam Baker and welcome to my channel. And today is February the 3rd, 2020, which is a Monday here in the UK, and it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And today we will be doing some baking, which is a chocolate cake, which everybody loves. So I'm going to show you what we need and how to make them in an easy and budget homemade chocolate cake. So yeah, so I'll put you here for now and I'll show you what we need and we'll start cracking on our baking. I'll put you here, okay? There you are. So by the way, before we start all our mixture, we have to make sure that we put our oven for 160 degrees preheated before we start doing our mixture. So I'll show you what we need before we start. So we need here for our chocolate cake, we need butter, which is already melted. It's in here. And this is 130 grams butter, which I already melted. There you go. We need as well a cup of white sugar, or you can use brown sugar or dark brown sugar, that's optional. And we need as well baking powder, that one there. We need as well vanilla extract, that one there. And we need as well 2 eggs in there. And we need as well, like what I said, the instant chocolate powder from Asdas. There you go. Can you see that? That's the one we're using. This is the Asda Smart Price, and this only cost me 90 pence. And this is 400 grams, but we're only using 350 grams today. And then we have here as well, obviously, the self-raising flour, which is only a cup of self-raising flour. And we need as well a pint of water. We need that. And obviously, we need a baking pan, which I already greased with butter. And we need as well whisk, or if you have a mixer, you can use that as well. And we need a teaspoon. So that's all we need for our baking. So yeah, like what I said, with your pan, you have to, you can spray it with oil, or you can put it a butter in it, and make sure it's all greased. So when we put our mixture and when it's cooked, it doesn't stick into the pan. That's the reason for that. So that's the start for that one. And then, like what I said, with our chocolate mixture, we have to put here first in the bowl the 120 grams of melted butter. So there you go. So I've already melted that. And then next we're going to put in our mixture. If you can see me there, I think you can see it better that way. That way. You see that. Next we're going to put our sugar, which is a cup of sugar. I used white sugar, but you can use brown or dark brown, whatever your preferences are. So we'll put it in our mixture. That's our white sugar there. And then you mixed it. I beg your pardon, we should use actually the whisk, which is better. I get this one from Home Bargain. You see that one there, the whisk? And this is really cheap. You can get them three different ones. It's like this one, the medium, and the small. This is only a pound from Home Bargain, and they're good. But if you have a mixer electric one, then that's better. But if you want the free workout for your arms, then this is good. So yeah, so we put now the 130 grams of butter in there, melted butter, and then we put the sugar. There you go, you can see that. And then we put next the 2 egg yolks. So I usually crack them in a different plate before I put them in the mixture, just in case the egg is off. At least it doesn't ruin your mixture. And then we put them here. So there's 2 eggs in there. And then just have to mix them. Once it's mixed, then we can add next is our chocolate powder. And this is 380 grams. Right? Ooh. So that's our chocolate powder mixture into the bowl. And then just mixed it a bit. And then you add the 1 cup of white self-raising flour into the mixture as well. That's 1 cup. And then we're gonna add as well baking powder, this one. See that? And we're gonna put just like that. Not a lot, not half, like just a pinch really of baking powder. And then we need as well vanilla extract, that one. That's vanilla extract. And we put a teaspoon. So that's a teaspoon. See that vanilla extract? You put that as well together with the rest of the mixture. And then all you have to do is mix it a bit. And then you can add water. You don't need to put the whole liter, the whole pint yet. I mean, not a liter, but a pint. You have to put little by little. So as you mix, you go along, then you see how much water you need. Oops. And then you mix it. You just whisk them, mix them together. And I didn't use all the water. If you see the mixture is just good enough. So I don't think we need the whole pint of water. But just to be ready, you have to make sure you have a pint of water. And then I use the wooden spoon. If you don't have a baking spoon, you can use the wooden spoon and just mix them. Mix your mixture properly like that. See it? And it's gonna be silky like this. Your mixture is gonna be like that, like silky. See? And maybe you're thinking, why is it not a lot of raisin flour? The reason for that is because we only really need a bit of flour just to bind your chocolate cake. But most of it is really made of that chocolate powder. So if you want like a cheap one, you can get this one from Asdas, like what I said. And this is only 90p. And they're really cheap. Right, so when our mixture is like that and you think that it's all mixed properly, then you can get your baking pan, which is this one, which I already greased with butter. So that's ready. And then we can put our mixture in here and bake it into the oven for 30 minutes for 160 degrees. So by the way, our oven is already on and that's already preheating for 160 degrees. So yeah, so we're going to put our mixture here and put it into the oven. There you go. So there's your chocolate cake into the mixture. There you go. Sorry for the silence for a bit. I don't know. I just thought I forgot that I'm filming, so that's why I stopped talking. But Yeah, I forgot you were there. But yeah, so that's our chocolate cake. Now the mixture is ready. You can see it's there now into the tray. So now we're gonna bake this. We're gonna bake our mixture into 160 degrees into the oven for half an hour. So yes, I'll put that into the oven and I'll see you again after half an hour. Bye. Bye for now, and I'll see you after half an hour. Hi guys, this is Sam Baker and I'm back, and this is after half an hour waiting for the chocolate cake to be cooked into the oven. So this is what it looks like after it's been baked. So I'll put you here so I can show you what the cake looks like, and we're gonna try them and see what they taste like. Okay, so I'll put you here. There you go guys. So now we've got the chocolate cake. We got it from the oven, and this is what it looks like. See, I've already cut them into the corner there, but you see the holes in there? It's because I have to use this one, which is a chopstick, a wooden chopstick, to try them if it's cooked in the middle. So when you see that there's nothing there, then that means your chocolate cake is cooked. But I'm having difficulty to remove them from the tray because it's my mistake. I didn't put a baking paper at the bottom, so now it sticks, so it's difficult. But I want to show you what it looks like when it's cooked. So there you go. So that's why I cut a portion, and this is the portion I cut. See, very nice and moist chocolate cake. That's what it looks like. And let's taste what it tastes like. So this is what we're gonna try now, our chocolate cake. So we're gonna try it, what it tastes like. See, look in there. It's really nice and moist. It's like a cross of like chocolate cake and brownies actually, and for an easy budget and very cheap chocolate, homemade chocolate. You can make this one as well yourself. So let's try it, what it tastes like. Very nice, very chocolatey. So there you go guys, try it yourself, and I'm sure you're gonna like it. And it doesn't cost a lot of money. Sorry, I beg your pardon. I'm just saying, like, it doesn't cost a lot of money. You only need under £5 to make a homemade chocolate cake. And the powder that we use for this one is the Asdas chocolate instant chocolate drink, which is only 90p. Would you believe that? And with this one, I'll repeat it again, those of you who didn't follow up, we used only 130 grams melted butter, and we used 2 eggs, we use a cup of white sugar, we use vanilla extract, we use as well a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of the baking powder, we use 2 eggs, and we use a cup of self-raising flour, and 350 grams of the chocolate instant chocolate powder as the brand, which is only 90p. So that's all you need guys, and obviously you need an oven to bake it. And that's it really for today. And yes, I hope you like it, and I hope you try it as well yourself, especially if you're on a budget and you want to make a chocolate cake. That is a good one, and I hope you like it. And if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and please as well share it, and I'll see you again for my next one. Thank you. Bye. Bye.